Oh my God. I just wish people would stop trying to sell to me on LinkedIn without having a clue about what are my problems. So this person has reached out to me 5 times on LinkedIn. So I respond with, "How might you help me?" I'll send and the response is, "I'll send you some information. It could align very well with your business model." I've never had a conversation with you. How in the hell do you know what my business model is? First of all. And this happens time and time and time again. You can't sell to somebody when you know nothing about them. That's called a transactional happening. You've got to build a relationship with people. You've got to ask, what are my challenges? What are my problems? Let's build a relationship. Let's get a connection. Let's get a sense of belonging with each other first before you go right into how you're going to solve a problem that you have no idea what that is. I'm so tired of this silliness that occurs in the message box in LinkedIn.